is when our indriyas are engaged in enjoyment of the world, the subject is you, and the object of enjoyment is called Vishaya. In Sanskrit, Visha means to progress, to penetrate, to spread. This means Visha. So how does the world come to us? It comes through these indriyas. And then it gets in and then it spreads. It takes control of the whole system. That is why the object of our senses are known as Vishaya. So there also in Vishaya, there is Visha. So engagement with the world with a tendency of bhoga or indulgence is allowing the Visha to penetrate. So living in this world without getting affected by the Vishaya or the Visha of Vishaya, keep that goddess alive in your heart.